How to stop pop-up ads on Samsung. This tutorial shows you how to block annoying pop-up advertisements on your Samsung device. First, open the Settings application on your Android device. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Now, look through your installed apps for anything unfamiliar or suspicious. Tap on any app you don't recognize or didn't install yourself. Check the app details and permissions carefully. If it looks suspicious or shows excessive ads, tap Uninstall to remove it. Repeat this for all questionable apps. Moving forward, open your browser like Samsung Internet or Chrome. Tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner. Tap on Settings from the menu. Look for Sites and Downloads or Privacy and Security. Afterwards, tap on Block Pop-ups to enable it. Toggle it on if it's currently off. This will stop most pop-up ads while browsing. Additionally, go back to Settings on your device. Tap on Notifications. Look for app notifications. Scroll through and find apps that are sending ad notifications. Tap on those apps and toggle off notifications. This stops apps from showing ad notifications on your screen. If pop-ups persist, boot into Safe Mode to identify the problematic app. Press and hold the power button. Tap and hold power off until Safe Mode appears. Tap Safe Mode to restart. In Safe Mode, if pop-ups disappear, a third-party app is causing them. Uninstall recently downloaded apps one by one to find the culprit. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you stop pop-up ads on Samsung, give it a like, subscribe for more Samsung tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications.